Would you believe this point of view belongs to a pilot? But not just any pilot, a high school student. They're all part of HISD's aviation program at Sterling, and they're already logging flight time.
Well, you start with aviation history. Then in 10th grade, you study for your written. And then 11th grade, if you pass your written, you can fly from 11th grade to 12th grade.
Students also train inside this flight simulator.
It's a very nice training resource because normally a simulator like this costs around close to $80,000. And they do use these in colleges as well. So having this tool at high school is a very big help.
But the impact goes far beyond the cockpit.
You know, it is saving their parents at least $15,000 to $20,000, and also too that allows them to put that money into their next rating, such as their instrument or commercial rating down the line as well. So it's a tremendous and huge savings for everybody.
Why I studied this was because when I become an adult, I don't want to be stuck behind a desk. That's not my dream. I want to travel the world.
After this, I plan on going to U of H for engineering because I want to become an astronaut. I want to be like the first Nigerian American to become an astronaut.
Flying is only part of the program. Students are also learning aviation maintenance.
We talk about different aspects of engineering related to the field of aviation. We're really trying to help kids get into the mechanical aspect and on into engineering. Christina is one of my students who wants to be an engineer.
We've had the opportunity with the resources we have to do a lot of hands-on work. He's really gone into this with the whole electrical part, wiring, how to do all that, but also on paper, like the math and all the calculations. That has been very helpful.
From flight decks to engineering labs, at Sterling, the runway starts here.